Let me show you how your rice cooker can create the most incredible tomato beef stew. No searing, no babysitting, just set it and forget it perfection. I used to think unconventional cooking meant compromising on flavor. Then I discovered this method that not only saves time but actually creates deeper, richer flavors than traditional methods. Start by placing chopped tomatoes in your rice cooker. Add 1 kilogram of blanched beef brisket. A quick pre-boil removes impurities while keeping the meat tender. The seasoning is simple but powerful. 2 spoons of light wine for saltiness, 1 spoon of dark wine for color, oyster sauce for depth, and optional tomato paste for extra richness. Close the lid of rice cooker, press the cook button and walk away. When the cycle finishes, add potatoes and run 1 more cycle. The rice cooker's gentle, even heat breaks down the tomatoes into a luxurious sauce while keeping the beef incredibly tender. What emerges is nothing short of magical. Fall apart beef in a rich, velvety tomato sauce that clings to every grain of rice. The natural juices from the tomatoes create this incredible broth without needing a single drop of added water or oil. This isn't just convenience, it's revelation. The slow simmering process develops flavors that usually take hours of stirring, or while you go about your day. 1 taste of that creamy potato melting into the rich sauce and you will understand why this method changes everything.